Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Dewalt SDS Rotary Hammer Drill is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your arsenal, whether you're a seasoned professional tackling heavy-duty construction or a dedicated DIYer looking to conquer tougher projects. This drill is engineered to deliver exceptional performance and durability, making it an indispensable asset for any serious tradesperson or homeowner seeking efficiency and reliability in their work. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max SDS Rotary Hammer Drill, DCH273B. Experience fast drilling in concrete with 2.1 joules of impact energy. This tool makes tough jobs easier. Work more comfortably thanks to the Shock's active vibration control system. It significantly reduces the vibration you feel. Its lightweight design is perfect for various mounting tasks. Ideal for rod hanging, seismic attachments, and more. Ensure compliance with OSHA Table 1 standards when used with the DWH303DH on-board extractor. Benefit from efficient performance and extended runtime with its brushless motor and German-engineered mechanism. Easily switch between 3 modes, drill, hammer drill, or chip, using the rotating dial for specific applications. What we like. This tool offers ultimate freedom with its cordless design and multiple application modes. If you're tackling various tasks like hanging fixtures or mounting equipment, its lightweight build and vibration control make it a comfortable choice for extended use. What people say. The 3 application modes are a standout feature, allowing for easy switching between drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling, depending on the task at hand. The cordless design adds a layer of convenience I didn't realize I was missing. No more being tethered to an outlet or dealing with extension cords. The battery life is impressive, providing ample power for extended use without frequent recharges. With the correct bits, this thing blasts through concrete. Great portable and effective battery durability. It doesn't eat through the battery though. I put in 22, 4-inch deep holes on one charge. Number 4. COMOWARE SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill Bits and Chisel Set, 17 PCS. Introducing a premium set designed for high-impact performance. Crafted with hardened alloy steel and carbide tips, these tools are built to break through tough masonry materials with ease. This comprehensive kit includes 13 SDS Plus drill bits and 4 versatile chisels. Everything comes neatly organized in a durable storage case for convenient portability and access. Ideal for drilling into concrete, stone, and brick, this set is perfect for your home improvement and construction needs. Get the job done efficiently on any masonry surface. Featuring an SDS Plus shank, it ensures a secure fit with most rotary hammer drills. Experience efficient power transfer and quick bit changes for enhanced productivity. Beyond drilling, the included chisels allow for chipping, grooving, and breaking materials. They are perfect for tasks like tile removal, concrete shaping, and light demolition. Constructed for heavy-duty applications, these tools offer superior strength and longevity. Tackle demanding projects with confidence, knowing you have reliable equipment. What we like. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for drilling and light demolition. If you're a DIYer or professional working with concrete and masonry, the variety of bits and chisels in this kit will handle most common tasks efficiently. What people say. Drills through concrete like butter. The tools seem durable and functional. It comes with a variety of drill sizes and a plastic organizer case. Went through the concrete like butter. Easy to install. Number 3. Dewalt D25263K SDS Rotary Hammer Drill. Experience fast drilling and chipping with 3.0 joules of impact energy. This tool is designed for efficient and powerful performance. It features an 8.5 amp high-performance motor that delivers consistent power. You can rely on its strength for demanding jobs. Enjoy a more comfortable experience thanks to Shock's active vibration control. This feature significantly reduces vibration felt in the handles. The rotating brush ring ensures full power and torque, whether you're working forward or in reverse. This provides versatility for various applications. An integral clutch is built in to reduce sudden, high-torque reactions if the bit jams. This enhances user safety during operation. It is compatible with the D25301D drilling dust extraction system. Keep your workspace cleaner and safer by adding this accessory. Benefit from peace of mind with 2 years of free service included. We stand behind the durability and reliability of this tool. What we like. Experience consistent power with this corded rotary hammer, delivering strong drilling and chipping performance. If you need reliable power for demanding concrete jobs and appreciate reduced user fatigue, its active vibration control is a significant benefit. What people say. It delivers strong, consistent power and makes drilling through concrete feel effortless. The grip is comfortable and reduces vibration, so I can work longer without fatigue. Solid build quality, exactly what I expect from Dewalt. The drill was able to make a pilot hole in my concrete slab easily. It cut through it like a hot butter knife. This Dewalt drill is tough. This drill goes through huge boulders with no issue, nice but in good shape, and it goes so easy. This hammer drill and drill bits makes it so much easier. Number 2. Dewalt 20V Max SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill, DCH172B. Experience fast drilling in concrete with impressive impact energy. This tool is designed for efficient performance, making tough jobs easier. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for a variety of mounting tasks. Easily handle rod hanging, concrete forming, and more with this versatile tool. Featuring a brushless motor and a German-engineered mechanism, it delivers efficient performance and extended runtime. Enjoy reliable power for your projects. Work more comfortably with the Shock's active vibration control system. It significantly reduces the vibration felt at the handles compared to other rotary hammers. Ensure compliance with OSHA Table 1 standards when paired with compatible dust extraction accessories. Maintain a cleaner work environment effortlessly. Switch between drill and hammer drill applications with ease using the convenient mode selector switch. Adapt to different tasks quickly and efficiently. What we like. This compact cordless drill is designed for precision and ease of use in tight spaces. If you frequently perform tasks like mounting cable trays or railings, its lightweight design and efficient brushless motor offer excellent maneuverability and runtime. What people say. This rotary hammer is professional-grade power packed into a cordless form factor that is just phenomenal. It kicked ass on brick. With the Dewalt SDS Plus and a quality masonry bit, the process was lightning fast. I'm talking drilling perfect, clean holes into solid brick like it was soft wood. The power delivery is controlled, yet relentless, it just chews through concrete, mortar, and brick effortlessly. Cuts through 20-year-old concrete with no trouble and is easy on batteries. I've drilled 10 5/16 holes, 3 inches deep with power to spare on a 4 amp hour battery. The weight is also lighter than other drills, a plus when drilling walls. This Dewalt 20V brushless rotary hammer is a beast. It is surprisingly lightweight and compact, making it very easy to handle for overhead work, yet it has incredible drilling power. The brushless motor runs efficiently and the build quality is top-notch. Number 1. BINOTA 9 PCS Concrete Hole Saw Kit. Introducing the BINOTA 9-piece Concrete Hole Saw Kit, your ultimate solution for drilling through tough materials. This comprehensive set includes 5 hole saws in various sizes, 2 connecting rods with SDS Plus and SDS Max shanks, 3 center drills, and 5 spring pads for all your needs. Experience a new generation of performance with a significantly reduced swing range for a more secure grip. Installation and removal are now easier than ever. The center drill features a self-tightening thread for enhanced concentricity and stability. Its alloy teeth provide precise positioning and operation. Our optimized connecting rod ensures greater stability during operation. A convenient wrench slot simplifies the detachment of accessories. Perfect for drilling into concrete, brick, cement, and stone. Create holes for electrical boxes, air conditioners, pipes, and more with ease. What we like. This kit is your go-to for creating large diameter holes in masonry. If you're installing major utilities like air conditioners or large pipes, the included large core bits and stable connecting rods ensure efficient and precise results. What people say. Use the largest bit with a SDS Plus drill and they eat straight through rebar. Hole saws are heavy duty and really heavy. Price was outstanding for the quality and durability. Definitely recommend. I tried it in an 8-inch width concrete beam and it run through it smoothly, not losing its sharpness. Good kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.